this is my apartment, and this is pretty much just the living room here. Here's the couch, and here's the other couch. We got a TV, we got a bookshelf. Let me take you into the bedroom on this. Here we go. We got a desk here. We got some Sabres jerseys and a couple beanbag chairs. Pretty kicking tapestry. We got a bed and a lamppost there. That's pretty badass. Got a couple earrings, got a bookshelf. Here's the couch again. Oh, look at that, there's my briefcase. There's a speaker and a light bulb. Going down a little hallway here. We got a bathroom in there. It's pretty dark. Hey, what's going on, man? Oh, this is pretty cool. What's going on here? Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Oh, this is the kitchen. Here, let me turn on some lights. Oh, hey, welcome to the kitchen, everybody. Oh, this is so awesome. I love it. Let's go outside. Oh, we can't go outside because there's a rainstorm and a river. Yay! Let's go swimming, everybody. So that's where I live. Thanks for stopping by.